So I have this PlayStation 5 here, and I plugged it up and it doesn't do anything. It's been down since Hurricane Ian. It went to a different shop. It wasn't repaired, so it came to us. Let's see if we can do anything. Well, it doesn't seem like the other shop opened it up at all. Okay, so this is going to be a brand new repair. Let's see what happens. All right, we're down to the motherboard and the power supply. Let's test the power supply first. So I plugged up the power supply here, and it's good. So our problem has to be with the motherboard. Let's test. First, we start with the main power, and that's okay. So here's what I found: the fuse is blown and the circuit is shorted. So we're gonna have to remove and replace the fuse and find out what the short is. So I removed the fuse here, and we don't have a short on this side. However, the short is coming from this side, and it's usually always from the chip side. So let's see where this short is really coming from. Is it a capacitor, the chip, or something else on the other side? And then we'll replace it. So I tested 3 capacitors connected directly to this dialogue chip, and they were all shorted. So I'm assuming it's not the capacitors, it's going to be this chip. Let's remove this chip and test the board again. Got sidetracked, this just walked in. Pretty filthy. So we're back here, we need to remove that dialogue chip. Let's do it. I'll be damned, the chip is removed and we still have that short over here. And we have that short over here too. Crazy. With my thermal camera here, it happened to be that capacitor right there. Alright, nice. The short is gone. Let's rebuild this entire area. The capacitor and the dialogue chip back on. Now I need the fuse. Boom, the fuse is on. Let's put it together and test. Alright, I put it together here enough just to test. Let's see what happens. Oh, nice. It powers on. Perfect. Let me put that HDMI port. Yep, I have it here on the screen. Perfect. We got it. If you've enjoyed that video, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you later.